Hey guys, good evening. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Blood or Water. And today is a special day. We're going to be looking at something special. It's a bit different from the kind of videos and shots that I post. I have been into diecast models for quite some time. I'm sort of you can say, a humble hobbyist, and have collected quite a few cars in the past decade or so, about 5 or 6 models. But I thought it's time that we reinvigorate this thing and rather build up the interest again. So I have somebody at this place called Automania, you know. So I came across one of the models in one of the video features about 5 6 months back, and I told him and requested to see whether this model was available. As you can see, it is the BMW M3 E46 GTR, and this, as you know, is a cult car. So today is the day I received the shipment and took delivery for this. It's a 1:18 scale model. There are only 999 models built of this car globally, and I have been fortunate to receive one of the models. It's after a wait of say around 5 months. I placed the order in February and it finally came in July. I will tell you that I have waited lesser for actual cars that I have taken delivery of. So let's unbox this and see it in all its glory. So as you can see, you have the most wanted font and livery reminiscent of the Cane, the old days, the blacklist. This has a feature of the car itself, okay, to show you what it is. This is of course indicating the size, and this, as you know, is the dialogue that Sergeant Cross, the police head in the game, says in the end when we defeat Razor and everybody gets arrested and we escape with the help of Mia. So this is how the packaging is. So with this packaging, you can see that we are also given this card. It's a congratulations message, and as you can see, my model number is 155 out of 999, right? And it says the same model most wanted. I think they can't mention Need for Speed because of some copyright issues that they might encounter, and as you know, EA is vigilant on these things, so they've used the font. But here goes. You can also see that the name of the vehicle is written here, M3 GTR. So this is to give you an idea of the size. This is how the car looks. You can see it in all its glory. This is the real deal. I mean, it's beautiful. The details are great. You can see each and everything except for the engine sound. You can see that each and everything matches the car from the game. Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. They've also mentioned NFS Rockport MW because it takes place in Rockport City. So let's go ahead and unpack this. Of course, this car was screwed in, so I have been able to make the experience a bit more seamless. Now, this is the car in all its glory. Of course, there is movement. You can see that the wheels do move a little, and they turn as well. So over here you have all the details, including the bonnet. It says BMW M Power, right? Then you have the side exhaust, just like in the game. I am aware that BMW never actually made one of these. There is one called the Strassenversion, BMW M3 E46. That's as far as the car goes. This is a great vehicle, but it actually does not. People have modified it over the years, but the actual car, there's only one just only prototype examples and cars that have been made, but no cars for road use. As you can see, you have everything from the roll cage, real deal. You can see everything's been replicated from the glass to the actual racing seats. Sneak peek, close up. This is, of course, this is detachable, so make sure that if you get this car, then you can attach the same. This is of course the seat belt. Small parts, so they're very delicate. You need to be careful. So let me know, guys, how you like it, and if there's any feedback, then please let me also know in the video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for further videos that might be similar in nature, and tune in again. Thanks for watching.